So welcome back for this. Okay, welcome back, all of you. So our next participant is Kumud Gupta from 7th A. Kumud Gupta. Kumud Gupta from 7th A. Yes. Your time starts now.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Kumar Gupta. I study in class 7A. Today, I am going to speak on topic actions speak more louder than words. Actions speak more louder than words means if a person keep on boasting and never do things what he said is known by people after some time. But if a person do everything and boast nothing is respected by the people. A person's actions will tell you everything about a person. We can apologize over and over, but if our actions do not change, we the word becomes meaningless. You believe what you see and forgot what you heard. You are what you do and not what you will do. Trust their actions, not their words, because actions will tell you that words are meaningless. Truth is, I have found in many years in my life is words are only the noise and actions are only which speak. Actions are similar. Do not do not act, talk, just act. Do not say, just show. Do not promise, just prove. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Yes, very good. Kumud. Next participant is Nirav Chaurasia from 7th A. Nirav Chaurasia from 7th A. Okay. There is a participant, Vansh Agrawal. Vansh Agrawal from 6th B. Vansh, unmute your mic.
Yes, sir.
Okay, your time starts now.
Good morning, sir. My name is Vansh Agarwal. Today, my English locution topic is "Actions speak louder than word." Is one such proverb that is wise and is useful in variation instance. This proverb means that no. This proverb has a very deep meaning to it, which would help an individual achievement to his or her dreams in their life. In simplest of terms, this proverb means that no matter what you speak, but your action and doing will have a far greater impact. For achieving success in life, one must act on it rather than just talking about it. One cannot expect to climb Mount Everest simply by talking about it and doing nothing. Efforts are always required efforts are always required for achieving something great in life. Mahatma Gandhi, who is well-known figure not all in India but all through the world, contributed much to the Indian freedom struggle to his action His concept of non-violence, civil disobedience, and non-cooperation are still very popular today. He made his contribution to his action, not words. The another popular example is the soldiers of our country. They sacrifice their life for be in national security. They work selfless, have no desire for fame. We should make only those promises that we can keep. Somebody say,
Your time is
don't
over. Vansh, very
thank you,
good.
sir.
I have found that during many situations of life, words are just noise and actions are the only thing that speaks.
Yes.
So our next participant is Siddhika Jain. Siddhika Jain from 7th A. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, your time.
Good morning, everyone.
Your time starts now.
Okay, sir. Good morning, everyone. I am Siddhika Jain and today I am speak on the topic.
आपका वीडियो नहीं
Action
दिख
is
रहा है. Please click on the option.
Kadiya.
Start video. Yes.
Good morning, everyone. I am Siddhika Jain. And today I am speak on the topic speak. Action is speak louder than words. What will you do if? What will you do is how to make a selection on a tennis team. Whom will you select, Sania Mirza or the person who claimed to play like her? For sure, any person will go with tennis sensation Sania. Will I think after this example through though further still I would like add a few more points starting from what actions and words really are. Words are mere promises which cannot be believed. On the other hand, actions that the true personality really is. I hope you agree. It is a easiest said than done. People easily believe on what do you then and what do you say heart convince. Remember the fact that only trust can
Your time is over, Siddhika. Very good attempt. Keep on practicing. Next participant is Utkarsh Agrawal from 7th A. Yes, Utkarsh
Yes, sir.
Agrawal.
I'm audible.
Yes. Your time starts now.
The proverb, action speaks louder than word. It has a deep meaning inside it. It reminds us the importance of action over the empty talks. To say something or to do something is entirely different things. Word may can leave the impression for a short time, but the action determine the character of the person. To say something is very easy. To do something is very challengeable. The action carries more weightage. Action carries more weightage than words in building trust. Like this, you have read this story of Mahabharata. The Guru Dronacharya teach his students a lesson. सदा सत्य बोलो. The lesson सदा सत्य बोलो. they all students are learned except Yudhishthir. The Guru Dronacharya said that why do you not learn this lesson? Learn this simple lesson. Yudhishthir said, I will practicing this lesson in my action life. Then I will say I have learned this lesson. Like similarly, Mahatma Gandhi ji. Mahatma Gandhi ji said that the impress the villagers.
Your time is over. Utkarsh, very good. Next participant is Ankit from 7th B. Ankit from 7th B. Next participant Azram Sheikh from 7th B. Azram Sheikh. Next is Kamya Sharma from 7th B. Kamya Sharma from 7th B. Next is Khushi Meena. Khushi Meena from 7th B. Are you there, Khushi? Khushi Meena. Next is Prithvi Kumar from 7th B.
Yes, sir.
Yes, your time start now.
Yes. Respected teachers and dear friends, good morning. My name is Prithvi Kumar. I study in class 7th B. Today, the topic of our English allocation is action speaks louder than words. I am totally agree with this phrase. This phrase is said to be emphasizes on what we do is more important than what we say. And the action of Bhagat Singh in Assembly of Englishmen, the missiles launched by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and Dandi march by our Bapu Mahatma Gandhi. Sir, I personally believe that action speaks louder than words, sir. Sir, because sounds are the merely sounds, but the actions are the reality of our thinking. So, sir, I want to give you an example. Sir, suppose there is a flood in our nearby town. Sir, but real hero is that who is there and helping people with the facilities available there rather than the people watching the videos of that situation and on social media and getting worried. Sir, I again want to say that what we do is more important than what we say. Thank you.
Yes, excellent speech by Prithvi Kumar from 7th B. The next participant is Alzia Bano Mansuri from 8th A. Okay, she is not there. Next is Arman Ekka from 8th A. Next participant is Arman Ekka from 8th A. Arman. Next is Saksham Moria from 8th A. Next is Shubham Kumar from 8th A.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes. Your time starts now.
Good morning to one all present here. My name is Shivam Kumar of class 8A, sitting before you virtually to deliver a speech on topic action speaks louder than words. Answer to the every person or people who let you down in your work is action speaks louder than words. This phrase contains a very deep meaning in it. There are many several phrases, but this phrase is very close to me. To say something and to do something is very different thing from each other. There is a scientist, there is a famous scientist who said that words have the very much impact, but uh, action can tell others about your character. At the end, I want to say that the actions have the more weight as compared to the words to building a trust on a person. Thank you and have a marvelous Monday ahead.
Yes, very good, Shubham. Next participant is Yograj Meena from 8th A.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
सर मैं खुशी में बीच में लेफ्ट हो गई थी मीटिंग के.
Okay. So Khushi Meena, please continue. Your time starts now.
सर आप मेरे को देख पा रहे हो क्या? Sir, can you see me?
Yes.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Today, I, Khushi Meena, will explain you the meaning of actions speak louder than word. Actions speak louder than word is an age-old proverb with a deep hidden meaning. Many people have the
Khushi,
habit
wait.
of...
Your camera is off.
Sir, my camera is not off. It is Wi-Fi issue, net issue.
Khushi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please on your camera, then start.
Sir,
Okay.
my camera is on. It's not. I don't know why it's not opening. My camera is on.
But we cannot see.
So my camera is on.
Yes.
Can I rejoin the meeting?
Yes, yes, you can. Let's begin with next participant, Yograj Meena. Yograj Meena. Next is Adarsh Singh Amera from 8th B. Adarsh Singh.
Sir, my name is Adarsh Singh Amera. I study in class 8th B. I study in class 8th B. Today, my words in
Adarsh,
today I
camera
going
is
to
off.
yes.
Keep
Camera
it on. Just click
sir on
start video button. Yes.
Sir, हो गया?
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, my name is Adarsh Singh Amera. I study in class 8th B. Today, I speaking my words on cleanliness and hygiene. Health
Your
is well
topic
in
is-
terms of physics.
Adarsh, your topic is action
Yes,
speaks
sir.
louder than words.
Sir, cleanliness
Already
वाला है
informed
मेरा.
to you. No, 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 no.
Okay, sir.
It is already informed to you all that the topic is action speaks louder than words. So you must
Okay.
prepare for that, na?
Sir, फिर मैं ये बोल देता हूँ.
What?
Health is well in terms of physical, social, as well as mental aspect of a person. Having good health helps us to function better, begin healthy, helps us to fight against disease and make our body healthier. Hygiene refers to everyday practices to keep ourselves healthy. This participates protect us from illness. We must consume a healthy diet balanced with different foods, fruit and vegetables have virtual minerals and vitamins which we need drink. Drinking fluids help to remove all the toxins in our body. Pure drinking water helps to keep us hydrated. We must cut down junk food and eat protein-rich meals. Milk makes our bones strong. Washing fruits and cooked vegetables before consuming them is virtual. Cleanliness is also necessary. Taking a bath regularly and wearing clean clothes improves our hygiene. Washing hands helps us to keep germs away. We must cut our nails when they grow and brush and floss our teeth every day. Exercising every day makes us healthy and fit. This participate helps us to build for immune system. Hygiene system. Sir हो गया.
Okay, very good. But next time, just prepare whatever topic which you have given. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next is Khushi Meena from 7th B.
Sir, can
Khushi
you see
Meena.
me? Sir, are you
No.
able to see me? So my camera is on. There is a network error.
Okay, beta, you can start.
Okay.
Okay, Khushi, you can start.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I, Khushi Meena, will explain you the meaning of actions speak louder than word. Actions speak louder than word is an age-old proverb with a deep hidden meaning. Many people have the habit of talking with too much pride about something that they can or have done. They like to boast about what great they will achieve in future. They make fake plans that can never come true. They show self-importance, arrogance, pride that they have achieved a great milestone without actually doing anything. It is extremely essential to remember if your achievements are worth noticing, people will soon come to know through the word of mouth. It is better to take a step ahead and move forward to your dreams rather than feeling proud about it. Thank you.
Okay, very good, Khushi. Next participant is Ajram Sheikh, 7th B. Ajram Sheikh, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's begin. Your
Good
time
morning,
start
judges,
now.
teacher. Good morning, judges, teachers, vice principal, sir, principal, sir, and my dear friends. My name is Azam Sheikh of class 7B. My allocation topic is actions speak louder than the words. It is extremely important to remember that if our achievements are worth noticing and mentioning, people will surely come to know about them. They will praise us. Praise if for example you are a good student and you keep going in the class and you will top in the class, it will not give you respect that you earn, that you earn. This fact actually comes true. However, without boosting in the class, everyone should know everyone should know, and you be more honored and praised. Thank you and have a nice day.
Yes, very good, Azram. The next participant is Aljia Bano Mansuri from 8th A. Aljia Bano. Okay, she is not there. Next participant is Arman Ekka. Arman Ekka from 8th A. He is also not there. Next is Saksham Maurya from 8th A. Okay. Next participant is Aditya Navaria from 8th B. Aditya Navaria from 8th B. He is absent. Next is Karthikeyan from 8th B. Next is Karthikeyan.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes. Your time start now.
Good morning, everybody. I am here to deliver my speech on actions speak louder than words. Several proverbs in the world are quite old in origin. Similarly, actions speak louder than words is also an age-old proverb. This in, this proverb is very valuable, wise, and mature in its teaching. And furthermore, the phrase show that action have stronger impact on people than what one says. Hope you like it. Thank you.
Okay, very good, Karthikeyan. Short but sweet speech. Next is Khushali Gaur from 8th B.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Khushali Gaur. Your time starts now. Please on your camera. Turn on your camera. Yes. Let's start.
Good morning. Good morning, sir. My name is Kushali Gaur. I study in 8th B. Today's my topic is action speak louder than word. Action speak louder than word is an age-old proverb with a deep hidden meaning. Many people have the habit of talking with too much pride about something that they cannot have done. They like to boast about what great they are going to achieve in the future. There are people who have the habit of making plans that can never comes true. They continuously show importance, pride, and and that they have achieved a great milestone with actively with actively achieving anything. With actively achieving anything. Do not just say that I will change. Do not just do do not just Thank you, sir.
Very good, Khushali. Next participant is Komal Suthar from 8th B. Komal Suthar.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Sir, I'm audible.
Yes.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Komal Suthar.
Put
I
your
am
mobile
studying
phone in
class.
landscape mode.
Yes, sir.
Landscape. Put your mobile phone in landscape mode. Yes. Your time starts now.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Komal Suthar. I am studying class 8B. My topic is action speak louder than word. All of us are born preachers, but all of us are born preachers, but 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 we come to practicing what we preachers. We find excuses just telling someone what to do or how to behavior is
Put on your video. Komal. Start video. Yes.
in the way that that one want
Komal,
other
don't
to behave.
refer any study material. Please, on your video. Yes. Are you reading from the notebook? Komal,
Yes, sir.
are you reading from the notebook?
No, sir.
Yes. So look at the camera and then start. Okay, Komal, your time is over. Komal Suthar, your time is over. Next participant is Rajab Khan from 8th B. Rajab is not there. Next is Sakshi Chaudhary from 8th B. Sakshi Chaudhary is also not there. Next is Srishti Meena from 8th B. Srishti Meena. Okay, she is not there. Next is Sugna Gurjar from 8th B. Next is Sumit Bunkar from 8th B. Sumit Bunkar. Next is Tejas Chaudhary from 8th B.
Good morning, good
Yes,
morning,
Tejas.
everybody. My name is
Wait. Turn on your
Good morning.
camera, Tejas.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So your time start now.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Tejas Chaudhary of class 8B. Today, I'm going to express my views on action speaks louder than the words. Action speaks louder than the word. This statement can motivate a person to achieve something good in life. Working hard with determination always brings fruit with sweetness. This age-old proverb tells this beautiful message of convey. But one who boasts about his talking and work, then that person is not a set to a determined person. But one who do the work and keep going on talking, that person known as determined. The performance and the action of a particular person has more strength than the words. The expression action speaks louder than the words teaches us that to do the positive things rather than talking about them. Many people do nothing about them. Many people have to develop a mindset of work culture in their daily life. For example, the legend of cricket like Mahendra Singh Dhoni and Shri Swami Vivekanand, Gandhi ji, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. These are the some example, and it is meaningless that people say nice words and make promises to others, but they have no any intentions for keeping it. It is only by the actual good work. It is only by the actual good work, and at last I want to say that a person's action can tells you everything what you need to want. Now I want to end my speech. Thank you.
Yes, excellent speech, Tejas. This proverb is absolutely correct. We should be fully dedicated and concentrated to our work. So let's begin with our next participant, Ujwal Unial from 8th B. Ujwal Unial from 8th B.
Yes, sir.
Turn on your camera.
Good
Yes,
morning.
Ujwal, your time starts now.
Good morning, sir. My name is Ujjwal. I study in class 8B. Today I am going to deliver a speech on action speak louder than words. The proverb action speak louder than words. The meaning proverb action speak louder than words means putting one's thoughts, plans, and agendas in action, which is significant to speak about it. Your knowledge will be acknowledged by others, but not what you said. What you say will people forget sometime, but the actions will materialize your words as a proof of sincerity. The idea of the praise was first expressed by an English parliamentarian John Pyne, 1584 to 1643, during the time of English Civil War. The proverb "actions speak louder than words" means that they are more acknowledged than words. A person may have several plans but are worthless until in action. Not only that, actions speak louder than words, but also worth more than words. There is also a second expansion of this proverb. It means that the true character is indicated more prominently by his or her actions, not by what it is important and encourages us to speak less and act more. Ultimately, the actions matter more than our words. It inspires everyone from different light walks. Examples of these are
students, professionals, etc. At last, it teaches us if you be recognized in society or do something commendable, you should start acting on it immediately. Your action, consequently, your actions will give you success, not your words. Thank you, sir.
Yes, very good, Ujjwal. Proper meaning of this proverb is explained by Ujjwal. If you are a good and talented student and you keep saying that I will come first in my class, it will not give you the pride and respect that you will earn when this fact actually comes true. The day you come first in class, it will be known by you all sooner or later. So it is better to step ahead, work hard and achieve your dream. So let's begin with next participant, Kriti Soyal from 6th B. Kriti Soyal.
A very good morning. Yes, sir.
Yes, your time starts now.
A very good morning to everyone. I am Kriti Soil of class 6B, going to tell you about the proverb, actions speak louder than words. Actions speak louder than words is an age-old proverb with a deep hidden meaning inside. It's an old and golden proverb. This proverb is so valuable, wise, and mature in its teaching. This proverb means that no matters what you speak, but your actions and doings will have a far greater impact. Like, take an example of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is probably the most noteworthy example here. This man did a huge contribution to the Indian independence through his actions. Furthermore, his actions like non-violence, non-cooperation, civil disobedience, supporting farmers, supporting oppressed people made a huge impact. He was not of those who only make grand speeches. He was a man who stood by what he said. The soldiers of our country form another suitable example here. Most noteworthy, these soldiers risk their life every day for the nation's security. Unlike many politicians who only make speeches, these soldiers actually do something meaningful. Moreover, these soldiers were selflessly without any desire of fame. Certainly, many people will never know their names. So just keep a single fact in your mind. Don't post anything.
Your time is over, Kriti.
Thank you, sir, for teaching us.
Excellent.
Thank you,
by
sir.
Kriti. There are only 3 things that can make your dreams come true. First is your thoughts. Second is your words. And third, which is most important, your actions. Okay. So our next participant is Komal Kumari from 7th B. Kavya Kumari. Kavya Kumari. Are you there? Students, we will send you another link, okay? Because already time is over for this link. We will send you another link. Please join again, okay? Harshika, what are you doing? We are watching you, okay?